Question number 9. If you will have ₱1,000,000 at this moment, how would you spend it? Again, here is your question. If you will have ₱1,000,000 at this moment, how would you spend it?
Thank you for that wonderful question. First of all, I want to greet every one of you a pleasant afternoon, especially to our panel of judges. First, if I were given a ₱1,000,000, I will spend it with wisely, and I will help others to build schools for us to help other youth to have education, because education is the key for the better future. Thank you.